We buy cars with the right specification, the right look, and they just sell. And this is another prime example. How good does that Evoque look? So this is a 2020 Land Rover, Range Rover Evoque, R-Dynamic, SE in Santorini black, but fully blacked out. So it's got full black styling, badging, grille. It's got the upgraded 20-inch wheels. It's got some beautiful extras. It's got sliding panoramic sunroof, reversing camera. It just looks absolutely superb. 2-litre diesel, 180 brake horsepower, so you tend to find economy superb. The 180 horsepower is enough. Insurance bracket is sensible as well. And you can see it's got these beautiful LED lights. All the inserts in the R-Dynamic kit is all been blacked, and it looks right. That's how people want one of these cars to look. That'll go live. People will look online, they'll see that that looks such far more superior than other cars what are on the market, and they'll just buy it because of the look. As we come round, you'll see these wheels, they're in a matte black finish. 20s, they transform the look of the car. As you can see, they're all in beautiful condition. With having the black styling, all the inserts on the wings, it's got privacy glass on the back, it's got them beautiful handles which come out as well. And then when we move around the rear, again, look how well it looks there. So all your black badging, you've got these beautiful LED lights. The big rear bumper and rear diffuser is all being done in gloss black. So it just sits and looks mean, the car. It looks superb. Automatic, and it's got, like I said at the start, it's got some tremendous extras. So it's keyless entry. So the car, you walk up to the car, press the button on the door handle, and the car opens. And then I'm going to show you extras on this car. So things like this. It's got heated leather, but it's got memory seats. You can see there it's got the M1, 2 and 3. And then when we get inside, it's got the right interior for the car. So it's got black leather, piano black down into the door cards and into the centre. The sunroof is a big one. So normally you tend to find they're just fixed glass roof, but this is a sliding panoramic opening sunroof, which is a massive option. It's an expensive option. That's nearly £2,000. So when this car's been ordered, they've paid for that sliding sunroof. Other extras. So as you look here as well, you've got front and back parking sensors, but you've got reversing camera, you've got your touchscreen, latest navigation system, which is right up to date, which has got things like Apple CarPlay, your in control apps, all your up to date DAB radio. If you go on here, push for seats, you've got your heated seats, and then you've got your automatic gearbox, your 9-speed, which is great. On your dash as well, as you can see, you've got full digital cockpit, which has got the maps and everything on your screen in front of you. And on here you've got things like cruise control, lane assist, voice recognition. You've got your paddle shifts as well. So it's got, you know, great spec. And Evoques are popular because they're a nice size. People don't think they're buying too big of a little 4-wheel drive. You've still got plenty of space in the back as well. So you've got 3 seats, 3 Isofix seats. And it's going live on our website, this car, £42,990. And it'll just sell. It'll sell because somebody will want one which looks like this. Electric tailgate, that is another option. So that works off the key, or you can do it yourself. But again, you've got decent boot space. You can drop the seats if need be. But that's another optional extra. And you can see there, with that big sliding glass roof, it looks really well. And like I said, I could probably count on one hand over the last few years how many Evoques I've had which have got a sliding roof, and I just don't get them. It looks the part. It's still got warranty with Land Rover till 2023. So you've got bags and bags of warranty left as well. It's going live. If you want to call me direct, my number's on the bottom of the screen. I can answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching.